Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cat shark inspired by Mofu-san. So let's get started. To draw this cute shark, let's first start by drawing the kitty's eyes. So I'm going to start right here, kind of like as if I'm drawing a leaf, and I'm going to draw a curve, nice high curve, and then bring it down. And then I'm going to connect it at the bottom. So we're going to use this as your guide, this point right here, and come right across, say about this wide, and draw the same thing. Go up nice and high, and over, and once again connect it. There. And now that we have that, I'm going to come to, let's say about right here, and draw a circle, and shade it all in. So the circle is just for a little highlight. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye, just so stay right about here, and just going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a little nose. So say about right here in the center. Just going to draw a soft curve and connect it. It's nice, round it off. And then from there, we're going to come straight down with a little line and then curve out. And cap it off. There, very subtle, very small. It's all about these big, beautiful cat eyes. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to frame the face. So I'm going to use this as my guide and come out just a little bit, say about right there. Same thing on the other side, and I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. And let's bring this down. We're going to round it off. And connect. Say about right here. And connect. There. And then now we have that. Let's bring this up. Not too much, say maybe about right there. And same thing on the other side. And now that we're about the same level, we can start to draw the teeth. So I'm going to find my center and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center, and we're going to draw a V. So it's easier for my hand to go this way. I'm just going to draw a nice big V right here, and then we're going to zigzag. One. And another one, smaller one right here, and connect. So same thing over here. And a smaller one, and connect. There. So then now that we have that, let's come back to about right here. Just come out a little bit, and same thing here. And we're just going to draw a curve right over, so we can separate the teeth. And bring it over. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this down. And we're going to get really close to the face and then go around. So same thing here. And go around the face. So let's bring this down. And about right here, I'm going to curve in. So same thing here, and then curve in. There. Then from there we need to draw the head of the shark, right? So I'm going to find my center once again and go up, say about this much, not too high. Say about right there. I'm going to give myself a little point, and this is the center. And right about here is where I'm going to draw this, kind of round it off. Just going to round this off for the tip of the nose for the shark, and then I'm going to bring this down. Just give it a little bit more angle and come down. So same thing here. Just going to try my best to match the other side. So I want to bring it back to about the same area on the other side. So say about right there. And then we're going to bring this down. And same thing here. There. So we just want to make sure that this part is a little bit more angle so that we can tell that it's the shark's nose. And then bring this down. Definitely come in here and fix. Give it a little bit more of a curve. Okay. So then from there, let's see, you can bring this down a little bit more. And just to make sure I'm about the same level as the other side. Then from there, let's come back into this area, and we're going to kind of where the cat's eyes are. We're going to come right about here, and in whatever space you have, we're just going to kind of wobble this ovalish shape. And then give it a little highlight right about there and shade it in. So it's the shark's eyes. And then right underneath the eyes, very important, we're going to draw 2 curves for the gills. So same thing on the other side. Just going to drag this across. Just approximate so I know. So whatever space you have left. And shade it in. And then once again, 2 curves right underneath for the gills. There. Then from there, let's come back into this space right here that we've created, and we're going to draw the paws of our cat. So I'm going to round this off, the curve, and then same thing here. Just make sure I'm about the same level as the other side. So now that I have that curve, we're going to put the hands in the paw. So let's come right about here. And I'm not going to pass my center, so let's just say about right here. I'm going to draw a curve and connect. And right here, you just draw 2 soft curves for the paw. And I'll just draw a line right here, nice and light. And same thing here. So just trying to simplify the paws, and then once again, draw a curve right here to separate the colors of our cat, and then same thing, 2 little lines for the paws. Then from there, let's come back into this area right here, and we're going to draw the shark, the flipper. So let's say, right here, round it off, and then bring it in. Actually, you know what? I don't even know if it's called a flipper. Probably not, right? Please correct me in the comments. So let's say about right here, and here, bring it in. Okay, and then we're just going to continue this. And bring it down. So same thing here, just continue it. And let's say about right here. Connect it. There. Okay, finally have the body of our shark in. So now that we have this curve in, let's find the center once again. Come down, and I'm just going to go to the left. Go to the right, and right about here, I'm just going to come out with a little line, and right about here, I'm just going to tuck in the legs. So just going to draw a curve continue this and bring out the little feet. And connect. And 2 little lines. So same thing over here. There. Okay, and then last thing we need to do on the body is right here, just continue this down and we're just going to loop it around. And same thing here. There. Okay, hopefully that's a bit more accurate. And I'm just going to widen this part up a little bit more. And last thing we need to do is draw the tail. So right about here, I'm just going to tuck in this tail right here and out. And bring it right back in. And of course, I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my just so cute cat shark or shark cat inspired by Mofu-san. I really hope you love this drawing and that I brought a smile to your day, and I hope to draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.